No. Do you not see how big this knot is in my hair? How is that even how is that possible?
Aaliyah Kiana, she the boss, she be doing her thing. Whipping sauce, natural and she lit. Follow me, she unlocking her dreams. She got the key, got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Ain't no stopping me.
Hey guys, it's Aaliyah Kiana. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about me taking down my Senegalese twists. Right now it is late at night and I'm recording this video. I've had these in for about 2.5 months. I have a lot of Senegalese twists in my hair, and so yeah, I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to show you the items that I'm going to be using and the items that you would need if you want to try this way of taking down your hair. First, I have a water mist bottle. I have like this Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore conditioner, and I'm also going to use this Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore lock and braid butter, and these are both shea moisture. A lot of people tend to take out their extensions while the hair is dry, and I feel like the best method is to do it while it's moisturized because it won't break your hair off, especially when it comes to Senegalese twists. For some reason, the difference between the twists and the box braids is that this tend to get matted quicker than the box braids I realized. Like when you take it out, it's matted, so I don't want it to be a matted mess when I take these out. That's why I moisturize as I go before I take out the braids, and it's softer and it's easier to, you know, detangle. Another thing you would need, of course, are scissors, and I also have clips, and I have hair ties. I have this wide tooth comb, and I also have a Denman brush. I have a plastic bag so I can put my weave into it. So as you can see, this is all my new growth. Let me get closer. Don't mind my edges. They looking real rusty and crusty. My hair is dry, my hair is dirty, my hair is all over the place. But yeah, the new growth, it stops right here. Why is this like the most longest? I want it to be like that all over my hair. First things first is I'm gonna put my hair into sections so I can get this out the way. So wherever your hair stops, you want to see like where the frizziness is. Like I can see my hair is brown and the weave is black. My hair stops like right here. My hair is pretty long. I'm scared to cut it too close, so I would say wherever your hair stops, you want to cut like a good amount from where it is. Like what is that, 3 inches or something? At least 3 inches away from, no, that's not 3 inches, that's like 5 inches. And I'm gonna swing that over. I'm taking this part that I just split from this section and I'm gonna cross over and clip it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray, especially where that new growth area is, because that's what you're trying to really moisturize. I mean, you're trying to moisturize your whole entire head, but you know, this much of that lock and butter cream, rub that in, and I'm gonna aim for the roots. Okay, this feels really good, and I just put a little bit. So now to put some double moisture into it, I'm gonna use that rinse out conditioner slash leave-in. Take about this much. I'm gonna start at the root again. Start at the root, please, because that's the part that really get matted the most. And then you want to bring it down definitely to your ends. Because my hair stops right here where my finger is, I'm gonna bring it down here. I'm just gonna cut it. Come on, scissors. Dang. Okay, so I'm starting from the back with this one. My hair is already moisturized. If you feel like your hair is starting to dry after you done moisturize it, just spray it with some more water and it'll be easier to take out. So this is all I'm doing. See? Now here is where it started getting matted, but my hair was moisturized, so it's all good. It's all good. So you want to take your time and do not start ripping your hair. That's why I said please do not be in a rush. Like, I'm slowly taking my time once you get to that part, because that's where it's starting to tangle at, and I don't want no breakage. Look at that. Nice. I'm just showing you guys in slow motion because, yeah. My hair has knots in it. See? Alright. See, slowly. Oh, nope, not ripping it. See, this is what you gotta do. See, other people be like, I gotta go to the mall. I gotta go to the movies. If you gotta rush, if you got somewhere to go, do not do this. You might as well keep these braids in for another day and just like wear a hat. Come on, you're almost there. You got it. I think it's some of the weave stuck in here. That's why it's a knot. I don't know how that. Okay, I don't know. Maybe. Okay, yep. I'm gonna show you guys the knot. It's like matted here. Alright. Now that I showed you that, I'm just gonna move on to the next one. It feels so much better now that the hair is moisturized. See, I'm rushing. Leah, stop rushing. So that's why I gotta watch my Netflix movie, but I just want to show you guys, like, in this section. Ow. You see, every time it gets close to the top, it starts getting tangled. Like, it doesn't get tangled, but it's already tangled. And so it's like, that's when you need to really take your time and just like slowly pull it apart without breaking it or ripping your hair. Look at this. You see, I'm slowly pulling this apart, getting the knots out without ripping. Alright, yep. I'm pulling the bottom. I don't care about the bottom. Well, the bottom of the weave, never mind. Alright, so I'm pulling this, do it one more time, and then after that, I'm gonna speed this up, okay? Because I don't got time for it. Taking my denim brush, just brushing through it, just to double check that I got the shedded hairs out and that it's tangled. And I'm tired. Wow. You got it, girl. You got it. Don't let them try you. Test your patience. This is testing my patience. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. No. There's no way right now. This, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute, no, for real. What the? Do you not see how big this knot is in my hair? How is that even how is that possible? Oh no. Oh no. So what I'm gonna have to do is just really get that out. My hair was like, nope, you ain't getting out that fast. Huh. Okay. What the heck? Basically, that was all shedded hair. That's shedded hair. A knot full of shedded hair. I think there's something on the screen. 1 second. Okay, that's better. That's better. I'm back and I'm better and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. As you can see, my hair is all done. It's complete. This is how my hair is looking, and this is crazy because I haven't seen my hair in over 2.5 months, and my hair has definitely grown. Obviously you saw by the new growth, but I am shocked. Like, look at, I feel like Diana Ross. Roll, is that her song? Rolling, rolling on a river. Oh, is that Tina Turner? Forgot. So look at this, like, it's touching my shoulders. It's a little stretched, but that's how the side is looking. And the back, I don't know how the back is looking, but all right, so look at this movement. Okay, I'm excited. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helps all of you guys to take better care of your hair when taking down your box braids, Senegalese twists, or any hair that has extensions like those. By the way, I almost forgot, I'm gonna show you exactly how much shedded hair I have from taking down these Senegalese twists and detangling my hair. I'm gonna show you. And this is not unhealthy. I have a lot of hair, so as you can see, I have a lot of hair. And so this amount of shedded hair is not bad to me. It's not a shocker. And again, I've had these in for 2.5 months, so. But yeah. This is how much. I know you guys are probably like, what? I could play catch with it. This is how much hair. This is all the extensions that were in my hair. That's why it took so long. Thank you for watching again. If you watched this entire video, please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and if you watched till the end, comment down below, subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more from me and my smile. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.